So before we start the details of digital audio workstation, in short DAW, let's compare it to an analog mixer and its function, and then compare it to Ableton Live interface. It may slightly vary, but then I think you may get the point. So here we have Yamaha MG12, an analog audio mixer, and here we have Ableton Live session view. So does it look somewhat similar? Let's dive in for a few more details and common features. So this is a channel strip where all the functions work for this channel input only. So in a channel strip you have your mic or instrument input. Then this is gain or trim pot. Then these are the 3-band equalizer, highs, mid, bass. These are the auxiliary and pan pots. So this is solo, track activator, and this is channel fader, as so on. And here we have the channel strip in Ableton, where you can add almost 127 audio MIDI channels. This is your solo track activator, your pan pots, and these are the faders. So it's almost similar in digital audio workstation and analog mixer. We will dive in deep inside in coming videos.